What if I told you that finding personal email is easier than you think? Whether it's a business owner, founder, or even a potential client. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to find any one personal email address and also personal phone number. And the best part, you don't need to spend hundreds on expensive tools. Hey there, it's Sapek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I create video about lead generation, how to scrape leads without any coding. Make sure to hit subscribe button if you don't miss my next video. So guys, let's get started. Finding personal email address can help you reach decision makers directly, land clients, or even grow your network faster. Instead of waiting for replies on LinkedIn, you can get into their inbox immediately. But guys, if your client need personal email address or personal phone number, you need a premium tools because you cannot find completely free anyone personal email address and phone number. So when client hire you to find personal information like email address or phone number, you should charge more money compared to others lead generation project. So guys, first of all, we need an extension. Go to Chrome browser and search SignalHire. After searching, you can scroll down and visit this SignalHire Chrome web store. Simply click here. You can just edit this extension to your computer. SignalHire find email or phone number. I already added this Chrome extension on my computer. That's why I don't edit this extension again. If you don't edit this extension previously on your computer, you can simply click here edit Chrome, and after edit this extension to your computer, you can simply click this extension icon and just pin this extension. I already pinned this extension, and then go to your LinkedIn account and just reload this page. If you need any people personal email address or phone number, at first we need his LinkedIn profile. So I hope you know how to find anyone LinkedIn profile. I already showed you my previous video. Let guys, I type founder. If you are looking others people like CEO, co-founder, owner, whatever you want, let I visit this person profile. Now we need this guy personal email address or others information. Can you see guys, SignalHire extension show you this person information. You find this person name, location, job title, company name, mobile phone number, its mail, WhatsApp number, and his email address, and we click show more. When we click show more, can you see guys, they show you on lots of phone number and email address. They show you work email, this is the personal email, this is the another personal email. Also they provide this person others social media profile like Twitter, Facebook. So we can easily simply copy all information from here and easily paste our Excel file or CSV file or Google Sheet, whatever you want to deliver to your client. Now we visit another person profile. Let I visit this person profile. We find this person name, location, job title, holder, company name, personal mobile phone number. It's called WhatsApp number. Click show more, and we find another two landline phone number, and we find his email address, and we find his also two personal email address. We can find his YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook profile. Now you know exactly how to find personal email address the right way. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to hit subscribe button if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. Also guys, you can connect my LinkedIn profile. I try to share my knowledge. This is my LinkedIn profile. Also, you can follow my Twitter profile. If you don't miss my any post, you can connect my Twitter and LinkedIn profile. You can easily find those profile link in my description box. If you need any lead generation service, you can easily find my email address in the description below. So guys, see you in the next video.